Hello and welcome. My name is Derek and I wanted to create a quick video discussing my 7-day challenge. This challenge aims to educate individuals who are new to digital marketing about the possibilities and how to start their online journey. It consists of basic action steps that can be followed to achieve profitability, earn commissions, and overall success without spending money on paid ads. Although I touch on paid ads on the last day to help grow or scale your business if needed, it is not necessary to pay for traffic as long as you focus on creating organic content. Short form videos have recently gone viral, presenting a great opportunity to reach like-minded individuals. These videos are easy to make, allowing you to build a faceless brand that can generate a significant amount of traffic and sales. This is the battle plan for my 7-day challenge. On the first day, we will sign up for a free System.io account, which will serve as the foundation for your automation. It includes email campaign, funnel, as well as a landing page to collect leads. The reason we choose this software is because it offers a free basic plan and provides excellent support through their Facebook group and customer service, making it a valuable asset for your business. On the second day, I will provide you with 14 different affiliate programs, all of which are free to join. This step is crucial as it gives you something to promote and allows beginners to start earning commissions. The third day involves importing my done-for-you email campaign and funnel. This saves beginners significant time as they don't need to create a landing page or email campaign from scratch. This pre-built email campaign and landing page will be used to drive traffic, follow up with leads, and make sales. On the fourth day, I walk you through the process of getting a domain. The fifth day focuses on optimizing your Facebook profile for maximum organic reach. This is essential for reaching your ideal client, potential customers, and creating content. On the sixth day, we dive into getting free organic traffic from Facebook, allowing you to build your business without spending money on paid ads. You will learn various techniques to grow your following, email list, and potentially your Facebook group. Finally, on the seventh day, we discuss using Facebook ads to supercharge your results. If you have more money than time, setting up an ad campaign can generate leads on autopilot. If you're interested in joining my challenge and learning these skills, please check out the post for the link to get started. Not only this is a great way to learn and begin your digital marketing journey, but you can also earn commissions by promoting these companies provided in the challenge. It's completely free to get started and promote these companies as an affiliate. You can use social media to drive traffic to these offers. I hope this clarifies my challenge, and I look forward to seeing everyone inside. Thanks, and God bless.